about. Like, can you see the dark? That's just weird. Like somebody went in through it with a pencil and just marked in it. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have not been here in like forever, and it really has been forever because it's been like a week. I filmed 2 BoxyCharms on last Tuesday when I was off, and then all I've done is work. So welcome to my channel. This is Doing Life with Miranda, and I just have like just a couple more days until my schedule is back to normal. And I can't wait because I feel like I'm a little bit MIA and I don't like it. So anyways, I hope everybody's having a lovely, lovely Monday. As you can see, I have no makeup on, and that can only mean one thing, that I have a box to unbox and try on for you today. And the box is, of course, Ipsy. So, Ipsy. My Ipsy box was upside down. Anyways, Ipsy is $25 a month. Everybody can get the Ipsy box now. And it is, I think, 5 full-size items. So that's always awesome. Alright, so I'm going to see. I'm hoping that this video won't sound rushed because I do have to go to work. But I feel like I'm very behind on opening boxes, so I don't know where my scissors are, so I'll get, I don't know, creative here or something. Open this up. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. It says Glam Bag Plus, which I don't know why they call it a Glam Bag Plus because it's not a bag. As you can see, it's a box. But it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And I love this thing because it just empowers you to be original. And my favorite quote ever is, always be a first-rate version of yourself rather than a second-rate version of somebody else. And that quote comes from Judy Garland. Excuse me. I still have like this cough, and it just, like, I think it's gonna linger forever and ever and ever and never go away. All right, so this is what it looks like when I open the box, and I'll put this little spoiler sheet right there a minute, and we will see what we have going on. All right, first thing I'm gonna pull out is some mask. Oh my gosh, my mask basket is getting full, and I love that. But these are Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. We'll see if I can actually do the bubble sheet mask and not talk. Because last time I did a bubble sheet mask, I talked and I got it all in my mouth, and it was not good. All right. So next up we have some stuff by Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil. Oh my gosh, I hope y'all can see this because I usually like film in this room and it's kind of dark in here today with the overcast. But it's a face oil, and I do use a face oil every day. I have been using the one by Sunday Riley. And let's see, Yoil really love using me is what that says, which is kind of cute. Little play on words. Let us see. It will deeply hydrate, revitalize, and soothe until dullness and uneven skin tone to buzz off. So let's shake this up and see. And while I'm doing the rest of the unboxing, I will let this be doing its magic. And we'll see. Now, everybody kind of says that the Sunday Riley one kind of was a little bit stinky. So, if you got this one, let me know in the comments if you like this one better. But, I mean, I actually like the smell of turmeric, so I don't mind this over other one. Alright, so we'll be putting that on while we're unboxing the rest of this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna actually throw my, look at all these sheet masks down here, you guys. I have a bazillion of them right now. So that's a lovely. Alright, next up we have Il Maquillage, I guess is how you say that. And yeah, I have my finger all wrapped up because that nail is coming off. And I didn't want to like catch it in my hair when I was washing my hair. But this is Icon High Volume Intense Curl Mascara. Let's open this up. I won't open up like the whole thing because I already have some that I'm using. But it does come in like this really nice sleek package. And it's cute. So I'll put that in my little box of other mascaras. Alright, next up we have a 2-packer of something. Mascara coloring pencils, I guess. I know it is so stinking dark in here, so I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see this, but hopefully you can because I don't have time to redo it. I'm too tired to anyways. So anyways, just know that next month might be better. Alright, so the first color is Lust. There's a lot of things I'm lusting over right now. Like warm weather and sleep. This is the color. It is like pencil style. Pencil styles are kind of hard until you get them warmed up. Like I know you used to like light them with the lighter and kind of get them all heated up so that they were easier to work with. But I have a lot of red lipsticks, so that'll be okay. And then the next one is Media. And it's like a pink color, which I'm sure most of you already know this because I am unboxing this super late and you will see 100 million of these. But they're very similar. Like even right there in the camera, I can see a little bit of difference, but not a lot. So that's odd that they sent two that are very similar. But we'll see what we can do with those. And then the very last thing in here is a palette, Wonder Beauty Wondrous Seascape palette. And that's what it looks like on the back. So let's open this up. I'll probably butcher the box here. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Those are the colors. And that's what we'll be using today. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a foundation and I'll come back when I am ready to put on the eye look. Alright, so now that you have seen the most scatterbrained unboxing ever, I have put on my foundation and you know, all that stuff. Although I'm still looking a little palish here, but I feel like I need some more blush action going on. So hold on a second. I think it's the light, or the lack of light in here today. Okay. Anyways, what all was in my box that I need to use here? Okay, so I used the face oil, and I've already determined that I'm not going to use the mascara today just because I don't want to open it. You don't want to open your mascara until you're going to use it, because the air getting to it will make it dry out and get bacteria and stuff in it, and you know, you don't want the funk in your mascara before you're ready to use it. All right, so these are the colors. They're really fun. I will swatch them just really, really quick so that you can see the difference on how they perform. On my arm versus my eyes. Wipe that off a little. And I mean, I am always about sporting the blue, so I'm not upset about that blue. It's like a smoky blue. So those are the colors. The only one that doesn't show up is like this champagne-ish color. So let's get started and see. I already put primer on my eyes. Let's just grab an old nasty brush cleaner wipe and, you know, get that all off. Okay. This is the Luxie large shader brush. And I am going to use the Champagne Harbor as an all-over shade. Trying to use, sometimes these little mirrors works and sometimes it doesn't, but that's what came in the Ipsy bag, so that's what we're going to use. There's only like one, maybe two like matte shades. The rest of them are pretty like foiled. And to be honest, besides the Wonder Beauty mask that Robin sent me, I've never used anything Wonder Beauty before. All right, so that is the all over shade there. I know it's dark in here, I'm sorry. And I probably just made you yak everywhere. Then I'm going to go and I'm just wiping my brush off here. Go in with the sea salt color, this pink color. Like, I think this is going to be a pretty neutral look. I mean, it's not like hugely overly pigmented. It's actually looking better on camera, I think, than it's actually looking to me. So I want to know if y'all have gone and checked out. Gina finally uploaded her Mother's Day unboxing video, and I will link it up here for you guys. So if you have not checked out what I sent her for Mother's Day, I hope that you will. She's trying to hit, I think she's like at 700 and something, and she's really trying to get to that 1,000. We don't want her to give up YouTube, because I love Gina and I'd like to see her stay forever and ever and ever and ever. All right. I feel like I want one more color, so I'm gonna use like this green color. We'll just see how it does. I don't see it at all on my brush, but yeah. See if it does better. This is very sparkly. Like, I have all kinds of sparkle all over my face here. You know what they say in the South? We don't sweat, we sparkle. That's what they used to say when I lived there, so today I'm sparkling. There's a pretty good amount of fallout down here. And this green, like the seafoam, I don't know what that's all about. Like, can you see the dark? That's just weird. Like somebody went in through it with a pencil and just marked in it. Odd. Alright, so there's a pretty neutral, if I can get you in some light, there's a pretty neutral look with the Wonder Beauty. I don't know. I'm just gonna quit messing with it. I am like all blurry here. Okay. So that's how that turned out. Now we're going to try out one of these lip colors, and it really doesn't matter which one because they both look the same. And like I said, I'm not the hugest fan of like the non-creamy pencils. I like when they're nice and creamy. All right, which one did we get? Oh, the pink. We'll just throw that back there. It goes on pretty good, pretty easy. What? I'm gonna do this one on the top. I don't know why I'm doing this, but. And then we'll do this color on the bottom. I work with all men, they'll never know. See, like really move my camera closer so you can see. You cannot see a big difference. So, the only difference you can see is that I'm not the best at putting on liner. All right, but it did go on pretty good, so I'm happy about that. Let's see what we have, what color I can put on here. We'll do the Charmed Pasadena. Why did I say Charmed Pasadena? Ofra Pasadena color. Charmed is a different Ofra color. Very similar to this one. Yeah, so you can't even tell that I put on two different color liners. So, and these are pretty matte, so if I can find it. I've been using the last couple days this ColourPop one gloss that Gina sent me. Then I have a little bit of eyeliner that I need to put on. So I'll be right back. Alright, I've put on all of my you know, my mascara and my eyeliner and all of that. I'm just going to put on a little bit of spray. I love the way finishing spray feels. I love the coolness of it and all that. Alright, so really quick, because I think this video is already like at 21 minutes and it's very scatterbrained and crazy, and I'm very sorry. Okay, let's go over what it says. The lipstick duo, or lip pencil duo here, duo in Lust and Media, is $21. I don't have to read what they're for. We all know what they're for. All right. Then let's just flip on over. The next thing in the booklet is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. It is worth $25. Once again, I will bring you a little bit closer, and y'all can let me know what you think of this palette. And the junk behind me. Alright, so there's that. I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, I currently have my phone. It sits up on the W for the nursery. And I don't know what I'm going to do when there's no W. When the W is on the wall somewhere. Okay, anyways. 6-pan eyeshadow palette can transport you to the tropics. I would love to go to the tropics right now as I speak. Pam, whose channel is Tomboy, is on the beach, and she sends me these pictures of her on the beach, and I think that's very mean, but I'm glad she's there. Okay, so $25 for that. The next thing is this Face Hero. We'll see if I think it's a hero. $34. So it's not as expensive as the Sunday Riley, but that's a lot for a face oil. Massage 5 drops onto clean skin after daily serum before your moisturizer. After your daily serum. Or mix a few drops into your favorite moisturizer for all day hydration. So $34 for that. Then the Il Maquillage, or however you say that, the what is that stuff called? Mascara is worth $25. When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, reach for this mascara. And then the last thing were the Glam Glow mask, and they are worth $27 for 3 of them. So the total of the whole box I will put up here. I will put what I paid, of course, what the total box is, and the difference of free product we got. So I hope everybody has a lovely day, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow.